This is a 2015 Ram 1500 with the EPS, the electric power steering. Now what I had is what I would call sticky steering, meaning that when you're driving it would kind of feel like the wheel was stuck in place, but when you'd put enough pressure on it, then it would finally turn, but it'd kind of jerk. So then you'd be trying to go back the other way and it'd jerk the other way. Even if the truck was off, if you tried to turn it, it would go like that. Now that I've lubed it up, now I can just go like this, like you're supposed to be able to. It even got so bad that when I was driving slow and I was trying to turn, it would even lock up, so I had to quit driving the truck. Everything I found said that you have to replace the entire steering rack, that whole EPS. But what I did is I came in here, and on the top of this boot, I just cut a little slit in the top of it, stuck a little tube in there with a pump, and just pumped it full of motor oil. And then once it was full, I stopped, and then about an hour or two later, it had drained down into the power steering rack, and the steering wasn't jerky anymore, and now it steers great, and it has for at least 10,000 miles or so.